This is our physical science task about the Newton's 3 laws of motion, and today we're going to explain you the 3 laws of motion one by one.
Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. An object at rest will stay at rest unless an unbalanced force acts on it. An object in motion will stay in motion unless an unbalanced force acts on it. This is an example.
I will show you how the first law of motion was applied in example number 1. The ball was at rest, and Carlos kicked the ball. Kicking the ball was the unbalanced force that acted on the ball. When Stephanie stopped the ball, was the unbalanced force
As a matter
that
of
stopped the
fact,
ball.
Inertia is the tendency of an object at rest, if moving to continue moving at a constant velocity.
This is Newton's second law of motion. The amount of force required to move an object will depend on the mass of the object and the acceleration you want to produce on it. This is an example of Newton's second law of motion. The less the mass, the less the force
Newton's
applied.
second law of motion formula is force equals mass times acceleration. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
An example for Newton's third law of motion is this. We are applying an equal and opposite force.
An example for the second law of motion is Carlos of kilogram soccer ball with an acceleration of 4 meters per second square towards Stephanie. How much force did he apply? So you need to use the formula F equals mass times acceleration. You will multiply 5 kilograms times 4 meters per second square. The answer will be 2.00 times 10 exponent 1 newtons.
To conclude this video, we have learned that the 3 laws of motion can be used in our daily basis.
Number 1, inertia.
Number 2, force equals mass times acceleration. And number 3, the law that states that every motion has an equal and opposite reaction. Thanks for watching this video, and we wish you a Merry Christmas, Mr. Carlos Rodriguez.